It's now coming in. The DGCA has flagged around 100 violations and observations against Air India following a comprehensive audit. Among these, 7 are categorized as level 1 violations, the most serious, posing critical safety risks that demand immediate corrective measures from the airline. So this is extremely concerning amid a lot of questions that are being asked over the air safety in the country. The DGCA has flagged around 100 violations and observations, all of it against Air India. Remember, Air India had come under the scanner after the horrific plane crash in Ahmedabad. Now, a comprehensive audit had been ordered and there are several observations that have been made, violations, around 100 of them that have been observed. And among these, 7 are categorized as level 1 violation, which is the most serious, posing critical safety risks that demand immediate corrective measures from the airline. We are awaiting an official statement from Air India currently. My colleague Arunil Saridekar joins us on the broadcast with the details. Arunil, this is extremely concerning. Already there have been a lot of concerns around air safety, and the DGCA has now flagged 100 violations, many of them also being severe. What are the details of these violations?
Well, this is a significant development, Pratibha. Good morning to you. Basically, between July 1st to July 4th, a detailed audit, a comprehensive audit was done by the DGCA, which is basically the regulatory body of the aviation industry in India. All the airlines report to the DGCA. And in that audit, surprisingly, 100 such lapses came to the fore. It was notified to Air India as well by the DGCA. And out of those 100 lapses, there are 7 lapses which fall in level 1. Level 1 is extremely serious, very critical, and they require immediate corrective actions. Air India has also accepted that they have got certain notifications as well as orders by the DGCA which require immediate corrective measures, and they will do it within the stipulated time. This is what Air India has responded to as well. Now, what exactly this audit was about? This audit was about crew rostering. It was also about operational processes. It was also about basically to ensure more safety and security for traveling passengers by Air India. And it was immediately done after the horrific crash that took place in Ahmedabad as well. Okay. And in that audit, it was found that as many as 100 lapses came to the fore. The DGCA basically notified it to the Air India, and 7 of those were critical lapses.
Okay, this is extremely shocking. 100 lapses or violations that have been reported, many of them also said to be critical.